Today we will look at page 81, Counting and 100 Square. Section A, listen to your teacher. So we have 3 boxes here, and here, here, and here. So I'm going to call it 4 numbers, which are up here. And you're going to write the number in the middle of each grid. And then you can work out the number before and after. So in the first box here, I want you to write the number 14. Now you can write the number that comes before 14 and after 14. The next one, I would like you to write the number 63. So can you tell me what number comes before 63? Yes, 62. And what number comes after 63? Correct, 64. The next one, I would like you to write the number 49. And the last one, I would like you to write the number 27. Section B, which number comes before? So we have the number here. We look at the number in the second column. So all these numbers here. We have all the numbers that come after those. But for this one, we have to write the numbers that come before. So what number comes before 8? Correct, 7. So you write 7 in this box. You have to work out what number comes before 13 and write it in this box. What number comes before 2? What number comes before 21? What number comes before 31? And what number comes before 90? Section C then, which number comes after? So we were looking at all these numbers here, and we have to fill in this column the numbers that come after. So our first one is number 5. What number comes after 5? Correct, 6. What number comes after 10? Can you write that in the box? What number comes after 32? What number comes after 25? What number comes after 1? And what number comes after 97? Section D then, write these numbers in order, starting with the smallest. Okay, so we have 14, 37, 9, 48 and 20. So they've given us the first number, which is the smallest, which is 9. Can you tell me which number is the next smallest? Correct, 14. So we write 14 here on this line. What number is the next smallest? So we have 20, 48 and 37 left. Correct, 20 is the next smallest, so we'll write that here. And then which one is the next smallest? 37 or 48? Correct, 37. So we'll write 37 on this line and 48 on this line. Number 2, start with the largest this time, so the biggest number. So we have 100, 11, 24, 5, 140 and 96. So you have to work out the biggest number and start filling it here, the next biggest number here, and so on. Question 3, start with the smallest again, same as question 1. And the last one, question 4, start with the largest, so the same as question 2.